These seagulls ain't just dive bombing me. I just heard them screaming out. I thought they were personal. Hey, that's weird. No, I just heard them screaming at somebody else walking past. Just can't see if I can get them to do it again. Bet you they will. These are the angriest seagulls in the world. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with them. Maybe because they sit on the poles, maybe they're getting electrocuted or something, you know. That's a good cloud there. Really fucking, they're gonna call me a liar now and they're not gonna be here. I know how they do it. Try to make me look like I'm mad or something. You know, they're fucking way down there now. Look, I guess a little walk. It's just, yeah, she's get these fucking things that squeak at me. That fucking squeak at me. Here they come, bitches. They make me walk, they're gonna fucking pay for that. Gee, there she blows. Hey. Couple of fucking rednecks. New Zealand rednecks. They got no money anymore. What's going on in here? Here they go, you watchers. One. Hit me with your best shot. From the back, not the back, the front. Hey! What you got all over? Calm down, mate, calm down. Shut up. Back up. All legs. Shut your hole. Hey! Spin him. You going? You can make me walk all the way to the top of this. There's the other cunts over there, surrounded. Oh, you tired now, eh? Can't fly anymore. They're scary those time with those stones, eh? Here you go. Hey, Mr. Bus. I missed the bus, Mr. Bus. Yeah? Go on out. Start up out. Hey, feathered fucker. High voltage! Oh, watch up. You come from behind and get me, eh? Here you come, look. Here he comes. What's that? Camera shy, eh? You're not going to dive bomb me this time. Ugh, what's wrong with that thing? See, you're on 7 cylinders, mate. Fucking Chevy pieces of shit. You can't even get your own engines. They got to run Chevrolets in a different fucking brand of car. Fords run Ford engines, Chevrolet, and all sorts of other piles of shit, and they try to step to Fords. We laugh at them. Look at this winner. Yeah. He's got one of those flash shoots. Where'd he go? That shut them up. They didn't like me on the phone. See, look at it. Yeah, that guy looks like a fucking absolute shit, fuck derelict cunt. If I've ever seen one.